Control number 41907, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Maria Roby Galieta, 41 years old, single, and I have 4 children, 1 boy and 3 daughters. Their age are 24, 21, 15, and 13. And I have 1 sister, and I'm the older of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a high school graduate in Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to give a better future for my children.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have experience in Kuwait for 6 months, 2 years in Saudi Arabia, 6 months in Macau, and 6 months in Qatar.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have experience of my 89 years old older in Saudi Arabia. I take her vitamins and feed her and changing diaper and clothes.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have also experience in babies and the newborn. I taking care of take a bath, foods, and vitamins.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I know how to cook. I know how to cook Chinese food like steam fish and steam vegetable, and I know how to cook Arabic food like a biryani, and also Italian food like a carbonara, and also the Filipino foods adobo and caldereta.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
As an housemaid, I promise I'm honest and hardworking.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear sir and madam, if I'm choosing me as a household worker, I promise I will do my best and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.